Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you everyone's favorite chola puri or chola bhature. I'll show you how well the bhature inflates like a balloon. I'll also show you how to make chole. So this combination is always a hit. Follow my tips which I give in the video fully to get perfect chole bhature. So if you like my video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. So let's get started. For making chole, soak Kabuli chena overnight or 5 to 6 hours. Then they'll become soft like this. Now put them into a pressure cooker. Put one bay leaf. It gives a very nice flavor to chole. Add little salt. So close the lid and pressure cook for 5 to 6 whistles. Meanwhile, let's prepare the gravy. So heat a pan and add 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. So when the oil is hot, add 1 big onion chopped. Fry them for 2 to 3 minutes. So no need to over fry them. Add 1 teaspoon of red chili powder according to your spice level, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon coriander seed powder also called as dhania powder, half teaspoon of cumin powder. So mix all the spices and saute for half a minute in low flame. Then add 2 tomatoes chopped. Add little salt. So adding salt helps the tomatoes to cook faster. Saute for 2 to 3 minutes. Then cover and cook for 3 minutes. Now tomatoes have become softer. Add half cup of water and cover and cook for 3 to 4 minutes. So keep stirring in between. After 3 to 4 minutes, everything seems to be well cooked. Switch off the flame and let it cool down completely. Then put it in a mixie jar and add little water and make a fine paste. So the thick gravy looks like this. Keep it aside. Heat a pan. Add 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil. When the oil is hot, add 1 bay leaf, half teaspoon of cumin, few cardamom seeds or 1 whole cardamom, 3 cloves, 1 cinnamon stick. Saute for a minute. Then add the paste. Add little water and mix the paste well. Now cover with the lid and cook for 3 to 4 minutes. Now as you can see, the gravy is cooked nicely. Now let's check the Kabuli chena. After letting the whistle cool down completely, so as you can see, the chena has cooked very well and has become soft when you mash it. So it has to be this soft or else it will not be good while eating hard chena. Also these chickpeas are a very good source of protein. Now add the cooked chena along with the water as it has all the vitamins. So mix nicely and mash it a bit, which makes the gravy thick. So you can also as well grind 1 cup of boiled chickpeas and put into it. Add quarter teaspoon of garam masala at the last and give it a good stir. Cover and cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Add 1 to 2 slit green chilies. Cover and cook for 2 more minutes. So finally garnish with coriander and the yummy and hot chole masala is ready. Now let's prepare the dough for the bhature or the puri. Here I am taking whole wheat flour and all-purpose flour. So I am taking 1 cup of whole wheat flour and half cup of all-purpose flour, that is maida. So you can make with fully wheat flour or fully all-purpose flour. It is up to you. Salt to taste, half teaspoon of baking powder, half teaspoon of sugar. So make a hole in the middle. Add 2 tablespoons of curd. I am adding quarter cup of milk, little at a time. So you can use water as well, but adding milk makes it come out more softer. So if you don't like milk, you can skip it and add water instead. So knead it very well. Add little oil and knead again for at least 6 to 7 minutes. So kneading the dough nicely gives very nice and fluffy bhatures or the puris. So they should be like this, neither too soft nor too thick. Cover and keep it aside for 1 to 2 hours. Now take a ball of dough, dip it in the flour and start rolling like a puri. So keep it medium thick, don't keep it too thick or too thin. So maintain this thickness. Heat oil in a pan or kadai. So oil should be very hot for the bhature or puri to inflate like a balloon. So if you keep pressing in the middle, the puri will inflate like a balloon. So flip and fry both the sides and then take it out in a tissue paper to soak excess oil. That's all. The yummy chole bhature or chola puri are ready to be served hot So do try this recipe and share me how it turned out for you in the comments below. If you like my video, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notifications whenever I upload new videos. Thank you for watching.